Well, thank you for joining me. I'd like to look at a little bit more of this question. Previously, we looked at part C and part G. Two questions. We looked at part C and part G. I'd like to just have a look in this section at part D. Now, D says the probability of C intersect D, but the complement of that, and that means not C intersect D. Now, not often means 1 minus, so we can take away 1 minus the probability that it was intersecting, or you could just see that up here in part C, that the probability that it was intersecting D was 9 over 19, so the probability that it's not C intersect D is the other 10 out of 19. So it's like saying take 9 out of 19 away from 1 and you will get your not section, or that's the complement of. And I think it's worthwhile just looking at, I think that's the only one that has a not right over it all. And if I just look at, say, part I, and let's just finish on I a little bit if we can. I'll just sort of, oh no, I don't want to rub that out. I want to just use that. So let's look at I, and I says the probability of not C, and we're going to union that with D. All right, well, let's have a look at not C and union that with D. So I'm just going to repeat this set. I'm just going to draw it again. I'm just going to take it from the question and take it from the question. We've got a set C. We've got a set D. We've got the numbers 1, 9, 3, and is that a 3? And a 6. Yep. Now let's shade not C. Here we go. I'm going to shade not C. This is my shading method, right? My shading method is first shade the not C. I'm going to shade not C in black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shade around the circle C. Don't worry about any other circles. Just stay outside of the C circle. You see, there's the boundary of C, and I stayed around C. Now I'm going to shade D the other direction. Now this is D, so I'm going to shade D inside set D, and that's my shading method. And the U is wherever we've shaded. So remember here I've said the U is wherever we've shaded. And the only number that missed out was the number 1. So what we are looking at, we're looking at wherever we've shaded. So that was the 9, the 3, and the 6. And so that's out of 19. So the answer is 18 out of 19. And that's the answer for part I. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.